What's up, guys? If you're not already subscribed to my channel, then subscribe if you are actually serious about making money online. This video, I'm going to introduce you to Elliot.
Hi.
Elliot is my oldest and best friend.
Thanks, mate. That's nice of you.
Hey.
Hey,
come on, man. Stop it, you. 17 years, right?
Yeah, I've got that.
I counted when you were in the toilet.
Did you?
Having your shit.
I wasn't.
So, do you dropship?
Not currently, not at the moment.
So, but you were, weren't you?
I was dropshipping, yeah.
So now it's November.
Yeah.
You start, is it? Yeah, it is.
It's November,
Yeah.
end of November.
You started in July.
Started in July.
So how did you start? Why did you start?
Well, I mean, I've heard about dropshipping, I've known about it for quite a long time, but I never really thought about myself, about getting into it, just because I have a full-time job. So I thought, well, I don't need that.
Yeah,
You started doing it, and I saw you were getting some really great results.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, why not? Do you have a little bit of side income? Yeah, why not?
Exactly. Why not? And it was easy. I told you it was easy.
You did tell me it was easy.
If I could do it, you know. I'm smart, but I'm not a special snowflake. You know, if I can do it.
Definitely.
I just followed some steps. So cool. The steps are still there for anyone to follow. I kind of told you a couple of things.
Yeah, we had a little phone conversation,
Yeah.
didn't we? You were in Costa Rica at the time, I think.
Yeah, Nicaragua.
At the time, so we had a little Skype chat. You showed me a few basic things, and then I kind of learned as I went on.
Yeah.
So I kind of after you taught me the basics, I kind of taught myself the rest.
Yeah.
And it's pretty self-explanatory. It's really not difficult at all.
Yeah. So you were doing it for 6 weeks or so, you said?
Did it for 6 weeks.
So you started...
No, 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, 6 weeks.
Yeah.
6 weeks.
It hasn't even been 6 months.
Was it? 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm confused now. Yeah, so you did it for 6 weeks.
Yeah.
You stopped.
I did. I stopped because it was taking up a bit too much of my time. Just doing like customer service kind of side of things.
Because you encountered a lot of problems, didn't you?
I did, and just
more than you would have liked.
Yeah, lots of returns.
Yeah.
Obviously problems with Wilco store.
Yeah.
The supplier. Watch our other video.
Hey, way ahead of me. Got it. Link in the description or in some corner at some point. We'll see.
So yeah, I had a lot of problem with that. Lots of problem with them. It just started taking up too much of my time, and yeah. So I thought I'd give it a rest. I didn't say I was going to stop for good. I just thought, just give it a rest for a bit, and I'll come back to it. So yeah.
Yeah, cool. So you're sniping.
Sniping is the best method, I think.
You made a lot of sales.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And
I did about $6,000.
I didn't realise how many sales you'd actually made until you told me about it yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a fair old amount of sales. I had a couple of items that just sold really, really well. Just, I guess, beginner's luck.
Yeah.
I'll put it to that.
So you were sniping. How was your experience sniping?
The experience of sniping was good, actually. It was very. It really works. It works really well.
So I was teaching you how to like find.
Yeah, I think you started me off with one.
I was like, fuck it. I just gave you my best. I just gave you my best. Best dropshipper who I snipe. I just gave you him.
Yeah, you did. It was a gift.
Here you go. Like, check out this item. This is how you find the supplier.
Yeah.
This is how you find out if you can make a profit.
Yeah.
Go. And then you just went nuts.
I did.
So you only used one supplier.
I used one guy.
How many items did you take from that guy?
I had about 60.
60.
Yeah.
So 60 listings.
60 good listings from that one guy.
Fair enough.
So imagine what you could have with a list of 10, 20, 30 good suppliers.
Exactly.
I mean, it's unlimited, which is the great. That's the reason the sniping method, I reckon, is so good.
Yeah. And people like message me every now and again. It's like that my list of snipers isn't long enough for. Then the answer is just then make it longer. Just add more. Add more.
Yeah.
I made a video called "How to Find Infinite Suppliers." You can find 100 suppliers.
I saw that one.
Yeah, you can find 100 suppliers in 10 minutes.
It's true.
So that'll be what 500 suppliers in 50 minutes. It's easy.
Yeah.
It's easy. So yeah, if you haven't watched the video, watch that video. How to Find Infinite Suppliers. And you had some experiences that I'd never had. You had like you had some items that you sold so many that the supplier banned you from their website.
So I had there was one on Amazon, which they then just said you've bought too many. It was probably after about a month of selling 5 or 6 of that item a day, every day, and they just said you've bought too many, and that's it. So I had to cancel that item in the end because they wouldn't sell me any. I tried to do it on another account, and they knew me. Yeah. They knew me, and I had one as well from Smith's Toys as well, which I sold so many, like 10 a day. At one point, it was mad. I thought it was always like that.
But were you making profit off those?
Yeah.
Because when you told me that, I thought you can't possibly be making profit. You must have like messed up the calculations.
No. Well,
fair enough. Then
I was using the Excel spreadsheet that you gave me.
Yeah.
It all worked out.
Yeah.
It was good. It was. I'm not saying it was a massive profit. I mean, I'd probably go somewhere between £2.50 and £3 an item.
Yeah, okay. So a bit less than 10% margin, but still it was.
Yeah, I mean, despite my first month as well.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
I was still learning. I still am.
For sure. No, you did really well. Yeah.
But definitely always a profit for sure.
Yeah.
And then Smith's Toys said, nah, you're not. No more for you. I must have sold 60 of this item.
What was
then
it?
Dinosaur.
It was a fucking dinosaur, wasn't it? Plastic dinosaur.
Yeah. And then I tried to make a new account with Smith's Toys, used my wife's credit card to do it. Nah, somehow they know. So I had to cancel that one, unfortunately.
What? So you made another Smith's account?
Yeah.
With what? So what?
With Lucy's credit card.
Different with someone else's.
Her details, her name.
Yeah.
And all of that, and they were still like that.
So then you somehow.
I guess maybe it was because the credit card is the same address.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It could even be the IP address and fashion pieces. It could be that.
It was processing. The items ended up processing for a really long time. Because Smiths usually they usually like send it straight out and it's completed. But these ones processed for ages and then they got cancelled. Unfortunately, so I had to give up on that one as well. Otherwise,
so we need to learn how to make stealth Smith Toys accounts.
Yeah, I think that's
We're going to be talking about stealth eBay accounts in a next video. So cool. So you've stopped. Do you think you're gonna start again?
I'm gonna start again. Yeah. I've got a bit of time on my hands now. I could do with a little bit of income, a little bit of side income.
You've finished your job now.
Quit my job.
Your job of 9 years.
I did.
You moved location.
I did.
Different part of the country.
Yeah.
So you're in a transition period. So you've got a bit more time.
Yes, I thought I could. Yeah, I could do with a bit of extra money.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's fun. It's like a little computer game.
It is.
It's easy.
It's just my least favourite part is doing the customer service.
Yeah.
I don't like how some of the customers talk to me.
No, you were quite rude to them, and then.
Well, I mean, I was because I just.
Did you tell any of them to fuck off?
I might have done.
Did you? You told me. I think I remember you saying you did, but I might have imagined it.
I might have done. I appreciate people. If people are nice to me, then I'll be pleasant with them back.
Yeah.
But don't. Yeah. Just ask nicely. Think that I'm some guy in the middle of China somewhere just trying to sell shit. Don't appreciate that.
So if you were to do it again, what would you do differently?
Differently.
What would you make sure you definitely don't do again? Or maybe there's nothing like that, but.
I don't think there is anything like that. Okay, well, I mean, one thing for sure is that if I have a problem with an item, I'd say more than twice. So say you get somebody wants a refund because the quality's not good enough, or there's a part missing, or something like that. I'd say like 2 strikes and then bang.
Yeah.
I'm going to take that item off.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to keep doing the same or similar customer service for the same item again and again, especially if I'm making £2, £3, £4 profit. It's not worth my time. And just when there's so many other items out there that you can just snipe, it's not worth it. So if you have if I have a troubled item, then just get rid straight away.
Exactly. Yeah.
Anything else? I think I would definitely. You know what I didn't do, and it's probably a schoolboy error.
Yeah.
But I didn't keep track of my profit very well, and I didn't really keep track of it at all.
No, fair enough.
I don't know why. I just didn't.
I think you kind of correct me if I'm wrong, but you kind of just jumped into it You just gave your supplier and you just you just rinsed him.
Yeah, I did. Yeah,
That was
yeah,
it.
just
Then you
cracked
get
on.
sales the next day.
Yeah, I
Imagine
woke
you would
up. I woke up with sales. I woke up with like 4 of those dinosaur sales.
Yeah.
4.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Wow, Jesus.
Yeah.
And were you listing with the software?
No,
No.
I used no software.
You just
Towards the end, I did use Hustle Got Real.
Yeah.
I think I might use it again,
Yeah.
but only on the free part. So it's what the first 30 listings are free.
Okay.
Or I might find another just a listing software. That just lists it super quick because that was long. It wasn't annoying or anything like that.
Real.
No, manually listing.
Yeah.
It was quite long, and I'm only going to put like 60 to 70 listings.
Did you use
up.
that snipping tool thing?
Which one?
Snipping tool, the one where you can kind of take a picture.
Of the item.
Yeah. Or
I did.
whatever
I didn't find that very helpful.
Okay.
I didn't need that. I just right click
Copy.
on the Mac to save the picture.
Okay.
It took me quicker times just to do it on my Mac.
Alright, fair enough.
So, but like some listing software might be good.
Yeah. I'll put a link to Hustle Got Real for you guys. That's really good. I use that one myself. I'll put that in the link. Check it out. You get 30. You can list 30 or list and track 30 items for free. So I'll put a link. Cool. So what would you say worked best for you? That you would definitely do again.
I think just the sniping method.
Yeah,
it's just
it
like,
works.
that's how I do it.
Works.
It does work. It does the job it needs to do.
Yeah.
And you could do the sniping method, not use any software, keep it simple as possible. My personal goal was to be making £15 a day profit. Not so I don't want it as my main business, but a little side income, a little something just to keep me going would be really nice. So
I think you should definitely aim higher.
You think so?
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Talk about another £15.
I know, but just like I said, the more you list, the more stuff you put on, the more customer service you have to do,
exactly.
and the more time it takes up.
Yeah.
I kind of want to be free to do lots of stuff. I'm aiming to do like maybe 2-3 hours a day, 3 hours max a day on it. I don't want to do any more because I'm enjoying playing Red Dead Redemption.
I heard you are.
And lying around and not doing very much else and watching TV and some series.
Now that you're free after 9 years of full-time work. Why the fuck not?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Alright, that's it for now, yeah? Anything else you want to add?
No, I think I'm good.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sounds good. So, I'm Andrew, this is Elliot. We're going to be doing some more videos together at some point. Well, yeah, when you assuming you're going to start again, we're going to do another video. Yeah, we'll do like kind of track your progress kind of thing.
Yeah, I think that'd be good and helpful.
That would be cool. Yeah,
definitely.
Sounds good. Cool. So as always, subscribe. In the comments, drop some messages in the comments. Any questions for Elliot, kind of thing. Love to hear your feedback.
Definitely.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Oh.